Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Amol and today we are going to talk about the recently published book A Promised Land, written by the 44th President of United States, Barack Obama. In last few weeks this book was in news in India because of author's remark about Indian leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. But before I come to that, let me tell you this is just a volume 1. Author initially wanted to finish this book in around 500 pages, but he ended up writing 768 pages. That's huge, and that's just a volume 1. Volume 2 is yet to be published. That's even huge. One of the reason this book is huge is author likes to talk about everything in detail, in very much detail, and on top of that, he does not like the footnotes. So he thinks everyone skips the footnotes. Even he himself do not read the footnotes when he read a book. So he want you to read everything about it. So there are no footnotes in the book. Total 768 pages and 750 grams. I generally do not talk about the weight of the book, but this time I wanted to because it will really give you the idea about its size. This is mostly on his political life, though he talks about his personal life. He talks about memories from his grandmother, he talks about his mother, he talks about his wife and their two daughters, Malia and Sasha. Whenever he talks about them, you could actually feel his love and respect about his family. But mostly this book is on political life. It's a memoir which starts from memories from his school. He talks about teachings from his grandmother, the good morals received from his single parent mother, and he also talks about the racism he faced from the society. Then he will deep dive in his political career. If you are familiar with US politics, you will be able to really connect with it better. When you read about this part, he will really explain you the brutal nature of modern politics, and you will really feel that politics is same everywhere. Throughout the book, I was dying to read about killing of Osama bin Laden, and to my rescue, he explained everything in detail. He talks about the entire mission in detail in the last chapter. So when he came to know about the suspicious existence of Osama bin Laden in Pakistan, he did not contact it or he did not involve Pakistan government because he thinks Pakistan government and ISI have links to terrorist organizations. So he did not involve them. Now he had two options: launch an airstrike using missile. But if you launch a missile on the suspicious compound, that will kill everyone in the compound, including the ladies and children in the compound. It could have harmed the neighboring structure as well. And the third point, which is very important, it could have never confirmed the death of Osama bin Laden. So he launched a very precise operation which would not only kill Osama bin Laden but also confirm his death. I was literally holding my breath while I was listening to the entire story in his own voice on Audible. So I think it really takes a patriot president to execute or to drive this kind of risky operation for his nation. Apart from that, as you know, he talks about, he puts his honest opinion about the other leaders, including Indian leaders. He also talks about international leaders, but I'll talk about the Indian one here. He talks about Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi and his opinion about them disappointed the Congress party. But when you read about Dr. Manmohan Singh, you will really feel his respect about Dr. Manmohan Singh. He is really impressed with our ex-Prime Minister. Overall, it's a informative read. One of the things I liked about this book is it's well written. President Obama is a really good author. His sense of humor is evident in the book, and when you when you got to know about White House and when you got to know about the presidents, you got to know about them from external sources. Sometimes the news that reach you is manipulated, sometimes it's not. But this book will give you the inside picture of the White House, how it feels to be inside White House, how it feels to be the president of United States. It's a very first-hand experience directly from the president. Barack Obama was elected as a president in 2008. He served as a president for 2 terms. Apart from that, he is author of 2 best-selling books, The Dreams from My Father and The Audacity of Hope. He lives in Washington, D.C. With his wife and 2 daughters. If you really like this book and if you want to read this book after watching this video, or if you have already read it, please mention that in comment. I would like to know about it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would really recommend doing so, because 2 more interesting book reviews are coming on this channel. One is Homo Deus. Homo Deus is it's written by Yuval Noah Harari. It talks about the future of our species. And the second book is The Body. As the cover of the book says, it's the guide of occupants of the body. It's written by Bill Bryson, and after reading that book, you will not take your body for granted, like everyone, like we all do. Right? So pretty interesting book, and they're coming soon on this channel. So stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.